Ladies and gentlemen, because of public speaking, we can educate the people, we can inspire the people, we can motivate the people, we can connect the people, we can share to the people, whatever we have knowledge. शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ इंग्लिश के उन दीवानों का कि ठहरे हुए एहसास का मंजर नहीं आया, मुद्दत से हूँ सफ़र में मगर घर नहीं आया, इस शिद्दत रफ्तार ज़रा थम के अभी तक रास्ते में कोई मील का पत्थर नहीं आया. Has been a lovely morning to all the excellent people over here. I wish you a great and beautiful morning to my respected teachers and judges. Well, this is me Arbas. I belong to Nuwa Buxford Tekma Azamgarh. First of all, I would like to say a great thanks to my respected teacher for giving me this golden chance to speak before the audience and calling me on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very special moment for all of us because today we all are here to understand about our life. Now I'm going to speak about public speaking. Today I'm here before you to speak, to motivate, to connect, to inspire, to share, to show, to deliver, to describe about public speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, public speaking is all about sharing information, thoughts and opinion on a particular topic, such as science, physics, biology, technology, religion, society, student, study, social media. Ladies and gentlemen, because of public speaking, we can educate the people, we can inspire the people, we can motivate the people, we can connect the people, we can share to the people. Whatever we have knowledge, we can share to the people. This is power of public speaking. Do you know Sandeep Maheshwari, Sonu Sharma, Dr. Vivek Vindra? How do you know? Because they have public speaking skills.
Yes.
That's why we all know them. Yes? They have public speaking skills and they have a lot of confidence and knowledge related to public speaking. And they have name, they have fame, they are making so much money by public speaking.
Yes.
They have millions of subscribers on YouTube channel by public speaking.
Right.
So my dear friends, you can also become famous by public speaking. Do you know Muhammad Abdullah sir, director of Happiness Institute?
Yes.
He was nothing. He started from our institute. He started from rural area. He started from backward area. But this time, today, he is rocking in Delhi. This is power of public speaking. My dear friends, you can also make money. You can also make your career because of public speaking. No matter how is your life, you have to accept your situation and you have to do for your purpose. Because we all have some problem, we all have some issue, but we have to remove that. We have to think about our purpose. We have to think about your goal. We have to think about your career. If we think like this, so we can improve ourselves, we can be something, we can achieve something. For being a good public speaker, you have to do hard work. You have to listen to audience. Because this time we all are speaking. If anyone doesn't have any point, knowledge, so we can listen to the people. And after listening, we can get point and we can speak anywhere. We can rock anywhere. So my dear friends, it means by public speaking, you can be famous, you can be viral, you can be good teacher, you can be trend, you can be achieve anything, you can be good person for your parents, for your life, for your society, for your country. It's mean public speaking is that key by which we can manage the world, we can change the world. That's it about my speech. Thank you so much for joining me.